Are you trying to find the best platform for trading? Today, we'll compare Moomoo and TradingView. Both tools help you trade stocks and analyze the market, but they have different features that might suit your needs better. Let's start with Moomoo. It's a trading app that offers commission free trading. It's easy to use, especially for beginners. Moomoo provides real time data and has advanced charting tools. You can also access news and insights to help you make informed decisions. Now, let's talk about TradingView. This platform is more focused on charting and analysis. It has a large community of traders who share ideas and strategies. TradingView offers powerful tools for technical analysis, making it great for experienced traders. You can create custom indicators and use a variety of chart types. So, what are the main differences? Momo is best for those who want a straightforward trading experience with quick access to information. TradingView, on the other hand, is ideal for traders who want in depth analysis and community support. When it comes to features, Momo has a user friendly interface and offers commission free trades. TradingView shines with its extensive charting options and social features. In terms of pricing, Momo is free to use for trading, while TradingView has both free and paid plans depending on the features you want. In the end, if you're a beginner looking for a simple trading platform, Momo may be the right choice for you. But if you're an experienced trader who values detailed analysis, TradingView could be a better fit. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.